Hey everybody, and welcome back to the shop. I'm getting ready to put another coat of this epoxy on, and I went to Amazon and I bought one of these mix and mates. I'm gonna try it out. It's got a little stir handle and we'll look at it and see what it looks like. This gets pretty messy when you pour it. Of course, you can punch holes around the edge and drain it back, but I thought, what the heck, these weren't very expensive. It looks like it comes in about 3 different pieces though. Get this out of here. I bought 2 of these. I bought one for the epoxy and one for the primer. So this is the little paddle stick. It looks like we're just going to stick this paddle stick up through here. I don't know. I guess we'll just go to however depth you want it to go. It don't appear to have no stop to it. And then we'll stick the handle on top of that. Like that. So now it's stirred up. Now we'll see how good this will clip on. Let's go ahead and get it opened up. I always like to try new things. I've seen them use something similar to this at the paint store. Just pull this handle back and pour it out. It ain't really fitting my hickey. No, wait a minute. I think I got to clip these in. There. We'll clip those in, got it tight, and now we'll stir it up. I guess you can push it all the way down to the bottom. Now I would assume that if this had been sitting a while and it was real solid on the bottom, you probably want to at least get it started with a paint stick first. Alright, that should be good enough. Now we're going to go ahead and mix up. This is going to be a 2-to-1 ratio, and I think last time I put, was it 3? I think I put 3. Had a little bit left over out of 2 coats. If I go to 4, I might get 3 coats. I think I want to go ahead and do a 4 here. Now I like to strain mine going in. It just helps keep from splashing up on the sides. You can always wait and strain it when you put it in your gun. It's really not no big deal. So let's see, we're going to go to 4 right here. Yeah. It is leaving a little bit of a mess right here on the end of this. But not too bad. Alright, so I really went to about 4.5 on that. So I got a little bit of this primer hardener left. I'm going to have to open the other one. We'll go to 4.5 on this one. That's probably going to be way more than I need. You can probably easily get 3 coats with that, no problem. Now we'll stir it up now. Now we'll give it a good stir and we'll let it sit for at least 15 minutes to catalyze, and then we'll be ready to spray it on. Alright, so here is 2 coats of epoxy. Didn't really have enough to do 3, and I was going to have to wait for 30 minutes between the second coat and third coat. So I got 2 coats on there, and I think that'll be good enough. And hopefully within a few days we'll get out here and spray some primer. And I see a lot of work going to have to be done right in this area. The rest of it don't look too bad from here, but that center is really wavy. You can see it. So I'll bring you back when I get some primer sprayed. Now everybody, just got done putting 2 coats of primer on. I was going to do 3, but I just didn't put enough in the gun. So it's a little streaky, but I guess it'll be alright for now. It'll probably be a few days before I get back on it anyway. So I'll bring you back when we get ready to block sand. Oh, and by the way, 74 degrees with 61% humidity today. Got my little fan going up here. See how much water we get out. I'm going to go ahead and cut that valve off right here. That's a lot of water. What I've been doing is plugging in, just popping this drain. And not leaving that plugged up all the time, just popping it every now and then. Alright, thanks for watching. Please rate, comment, subscribe if you liked it.